Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nailog channel. Today, I'm revealing 6 easy ways to remove nail strips at home, using items you already have. Ready to remove those nail strips gently and fast? Let's do this together. Your salon smooth nails await. Method 1. Coffee cup soak and cuticle oil. Prepare a clean, empty coffee cup and fill it with warm water. Soak your nails for 1-3 minutes. Use a cuticle stick to gently pry open the edge of the nail strip. Insert a cuticle oil pen into the gap and rub back and forth to loosen the strip. Push the strip forward with the stick until it lifts off. Method 2. Moisturizing cream removal. Soak nails in warm water for 1-3 minutes. Loosen the edge with a cuticle stick. Apply a thick layer of hand cream or lotion, and wait 5 minutes. Wipe off the cream. Slowly push the strip forward with the stick until it detaches. Method 3. Oil and warm water combo. Mix oil, olive oil or makeup remover or cuticle oil into warm water. Soak nails for 1-3 minutes. Pry open the edge with a cuticle stick. Re-soak your hand in the water briefly. Gently push the nail strip forward with the cuticle stick until it detaches completely. Method 4. Dental floss and alcohol spray. Use dental floss to lift the strip's edge. Spray rubbing alcohol into the gap. Wait 10 seconds. Rub the floss back and forth in the gap. Repeat alcohol spray and floss rubbing until removal. Method 5. Alcohol-dipped floss technique. Spray rubbing alcohol around the nail edges. Wait 15 seconds. Dip dental floss tip in alcohol. Use dental floss to lift the strip's edge. Rub the alcohol-soaked floss in the gap. Insert the dental floss into the gap and rub it back and forth until the strip detaches completely. Method 6. Oil and floss combo. Apply oil around the nail edges. Wait 15 seconds. Loosen the edge with a cuticle stick. Dip dental floss in oil and rub through the gap. Repeat until the strip comes off smoothly. Wipe nails with alcohol cotton to remove residue. Nourish your cuticles with oil for healthy nails. All 6 methods above allow you to remove nail strips quickly, while significantly reducing damage to your natural nails. After removal, your nail surface will remain smooth and healthy, so they're always prepped and ready for your next nail art. Save your favorite method in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail hacks.